Good morning, traders. Richard and a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market review of the S&P 500 E-minis futures contract. We got the daily chart up here. We can see we had a beautiful rebound here from this old cloud chart support levels here from November and October. Very strong rebound from that zone. You had to trade that one intraday. Then hit the resistance zone. We can now see that this old support zone is a new resistance zones. We had two sell signals, one above the cloud there and one as it sliced to the bottom end of the cloud, but we're still stuck in bearish territory. Note how the standard line and the Ichimoku cloud charts resistance zone there is almost at the same level there from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. So we have significant resistance to overcome there. For the market to be bullish, we need to be back above the bottom end of this cloud at least, and then strong bull trend is when we're back above the top end of the cloud. So we're still stuck in bearish territory, so we're not out the woods yet. Let's go and take a look at the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. There we go. Is it loading? Yeah, we can see beautiful rebound swing trade here, back up to the cloud chart resistance there. Now waiting for the next setup. We've got a weak Ichimoku cloud chart bicycle below the cloud there, so there's downside risk at this zone to the standard line of Ichimoku cloud. You can swing trade that trade there from that standard line back up to the bottom end of the cloud, and we've also got the bottom end of the front end of the cloud. So these are two levels to watch. We could see at the open maybe it pulls back down within the day and then rally back from that zone to break past the bottom end and top end of the Ichimoku cloud. We need to see a breakout past those levels for the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud to be bullish. So we're at a critical juncture. If we don't rebound from these support targets, then we're looking back down to there's downside risk back down to 6,600 on the Ichimoku cloud. But so far, watch out for the price action to come in here for support at the standard line, the 6,740 zone. So watch that zone very closely for any kind of strong positive candles at that zone, and then as it grinds up towards the resistance, you can see that resistance level of Ichimoku cloud is quite a significant zone on the 4-hour Ichimoku cloud. Let's take a look at the 60-minute Ichimoku cloud. Nice swing trade rebound buy from that major support zone. Then it grinded through the turning line and the standard line Ichimoku cloud. We had a weak Ichimoku cloud chart buy signal there. You can see how it popped up to the resistance there at the top in the cloud, backward consolidating, broke through the cloud. That was another cloud chart cross buy signal, and we're now in bullish territory on the 60-minute. Key support levels to watch out for is this top and bottom end support zone of the Ichimoku cloud. So these are critical levels to watch out for. So we could still see them rebound from these zones on the 60-minute. There is a sell signal here on this cloud chart there as the turning line crosses below the standard line, so it's consolidating as we would expect, and watch out for a potential rebound from the bottom end of the Ichimoku cloud. Until next time, thanks for watching and happy cloud chart trading. Bye for now.